Hi, in this video, we'll explain how to move your money between your PayPal and M-PESA accounts. To get started, make sure you have a PayPal account. You can open one easily on paypal.com. After signing up, you'll receive an email to confirm your email address. To register to the service, go to the PayPal Mobile Money Service with M-PESA website. Use your PayPal email and password to log in. Link your PayPal and M-PESA accounts by entering the mobile number connected to your M-PESA account. You'll receive a confirmation code via SMS. Enter the code, and that's it. You have now registered and linked your PayPal and M-PESA accounts. To withdraw money from your PayPal to your M-PESA account, go back to the home page and click on Withdraw from PayPal. You'll see your available PayPal balance in US dollars. Enter the amount you would like to withdraw and click Withdraw. You'll see the amount converted in Kenyan shillings, as well as the estimated time by which the money will be transferred to your M-PESA account. To complete the transfer, click Confirm. You are now free to use your money locally any way you like. To top up your PayPal account, click on the Top Up to PayPal button. Use the calculator to evaluate the Kenyan shilling amount you need to convert to get the US dollar amount you want in your PayPal account. Then open your M-PESA menu and select Lipa na M-PESA. Go to the Pay Bill menu. Click on Enter Business Number and type 800088. Then click on Account Number. Enter your mobile number as the account number and the Kenyan shilling amount you would like to add. Enter your M-PESA PIN. That's it. You'll receive the money in your PayPal account within a few hours. You are now ready to start shopping worldwide with PayPal and M-PESA. If you're looking for help or need more information, you can contact us on the PayPal Mobile Money Service with M-PESA website.